Okay, guys, right now I want to talk about this DJI Spark. I've been having this issue and I want to share it with you just so that in case you notice this on yours, don't be surprised. So it's about the batteries. I've been noticing that every time I charge my batteries all the way full, when the indicators on the charger tells me that they're full, and then I'll store my drone here in its case, and I'll come back a couple of months later. I'm ready to go out and watch this. See the battery level? It's like a little more than halfway, maybe 3/4, right? And I said, well, maybe it's just only that one. Go over to the next one. Same thing. Now, like I said, I stored it here last when it was all full. All of them were full. And yet, now I'm going to have to recharge before I leave. So, I don't like that. I don't know why it's doing that, but it's all three batteries doing the exact same thing. I'm not sure if someone else has noticed something like that. It might be normal, but I don't like it. It's really getting me mad. But oh well, we'll keep working with them. And other than that, it's been doing pretty good. All right, thank you for watching.